Hello, in front of me I've got Grounded 2. In this video I'll show you how to build. In the beginning, make sure you've got enough materials. In order to check it, let's go to Menu. Here are your materials. Next, go to Build menu by pressing B button. And here you can find recipes. You can build constructions, decorations, and more. Simply select item to build and place it. Next, you can use build or super build. Thanks to building, you get raw science points. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.